do not lose your physical freedom because you got old. You lose it because your body spent the last 20 years adapting to a desk, a driver's seat, and a couch. You go to pick up a 20-pound bag of topsoil in the garden or reach into the back seat to grab a fallen phone, and suddenly your lower back tweaks so hard you are stuck on the floor for 3 days. You think you need to hit the gym machines and push heavy iron, but machine strength is fake strength. It builds outer muscle while leaving your inner stabilizer joints completely vulnerable. This video gives you the exact 4-part static hold protocol that reverses structural aging, restores joint stability, and eliminates those random, agonizing daily aches. Stay with me until the very end because I'm going to reveal the single most important movement out of these 4, the one almost everyone skips, even though it acts as the ultimate master key for total spine protection. Let us start with the muscle that turned off the moment you turned 40. Your glutes. When you sit for hours, your hip flexors freeze up and your brain literally disconnects from your butt muscles. Neurologists call this glute amnesia. The real-world penalty? Every single time you walk up a steep flight of stairs, carry heavy groceries, or stand up from a low armchair, your lower back takes the entire load instead of your body's primary engine. To fix this, you need the glute bridge iso hold. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the ground hip-width apart. Drive through your heels and press your hips high until your body forms a straight, rigid ramp from your knees to your shoulders. Now stop and hold. Do not just float there. Squeeze your butt like you're trying to crush a walnut between your cheeks. If you touch your glutes with your hands right now and they feel soft, your lower back is cheating. Keep pressing through those heels. Hold for 45 solid seconds and repeat this for 3 full sets. Next, let us address why your knees ache every time you crouch down to tie your shoe or get on the floor to play with your grandkids. Your body has become completely dominant in the front, leaving the back of your legs weak and brittle. The split squat iso hold cures this by rebuilding single leg stability without putting a single pound of compression on your spine. Step into a wide lunge position. Back heel elevated, front foot planted firmly. Drop your back knee down until it hovers just 2 inches off the floor and hold. Your front thigh will instantly start to shake. That shake is not failure. That is your nervous system rapidly firing to stabilize a wobbly knee and open up locked hips. Keep your chest tall. Do not lean forward over your thigh and fight through the burn for 30 to 45 seconds per side across 3 sets. Now, if you want legs that never feel fragile when hiking or walking downhill, you have to face the wall sit. This is pure isometric torture, but it builds unbreakable tendon strength around your knees. Stand with your back flat against a smooth wall, slide down until your knees are bent at a sharp 90-degree angle, and sit right there in midair. Keep your entire spine glued to the wall and your weight planted in your heels. Within 20 seconds, your quads will feel like warm lava. Stand your ground. Hold this static position for a full 60 seconds. This forces blood deep into the knee joint while building relentless endurance in your legs, giving you the daily horsepower to move without fear of your knees giving out. Now for the ultimate reveal I promised you at the start. The single most crucial movement in this entire routine, the one that actually fixes 90% of your upper body stiffness and neck pain, is the thoracic foam roller extension. If you spend your days driving, typing, or looking down at a screen, your upper spine locks into a rounded, forward-slumped C-shape. This compresses your lungs, pulls your shoulders forward into a painful impingement, and forces your lower back to overcompensate for everything you do. Lie back with a foam roller positioned horizontally across your mid-back, right at the base of your shoulder blades. Support your head with your hands, keep your hips on the floor, and gently arch your upper back over the roller. Hold that deep extension for 5 seconds. Take a deep breath and let your spine melt over the roller. Work your way up and down your mid-back for 3 total minutes. This restores true anatomical extension to your spine, instantly taking the handbrake off your posture and releasing decades of built-up pressure. Stop looking for exciting, flashy workouts that leave your joints inflamed and your back compromised. Grab a foam roller, hit the floor, and put these 4 holds to work today.